Hey, 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 2026 Brinkley Model AIR 297. It's the first 26 that this dealership has gotten in. Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. We're at Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used service and parts. More importantly, I've got a 2026 Brinkley, and as I said, an AIR 297. So it is a towable, and you've got your power set up there, your solar and your shutoffs. Very nice. Great looking wheel and tire setup as or per usual with a Brinkley. So we have two slides on this unit. We have a campside, nice and deep slide. I do want to show you the storage if I can get this to cooperate. There we go. And this would be very handy to keep tools, gloves, stuff you would work on if you had any roadside issues. And the second slide, as I mentioned, on the off-camp side, not as deep. I don't know that I can get that, but you can see how that is not as deep as this one. But more importantly, you can see the lights are on. That means they're expecting us. So let's get up inside. There's the AIR 297 badging. So as we come in, nice hooks on the wall, great place to hang up your jacket. Kind of cool this morning. Then we have your power setup, your planning center, nice drawers and wood cabinet above, all your goodies. I really like, and I always talk about, the Brinkley pantry, and you have the power there already pre-wired for your blender to get your margarita game going. So this is a multifunction area. You can have storage here, eating, office. So you have your four positions, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sure you can come up with more options if you really got creative. Theater seating. Love the look of this leather type material. Wireless charging, USB. You have tables on both sides. This folds out or pulls out for additional sleeping. The cabinets do go across, which is very nice. Televator, fireplace, cabinets, microwave, really, really nice oven. 3-burner cooktop, just a real nice setup. Center island, and I gotta show you this. I really like the way Brinkley does that. So I figured out this is for your trash, and then your trash bags, then your trash, and then you have this set up here, paper towel holder, and you can put whatever you want there, but just really, really classy. Residential style and size refrigerator, pendant lighting, I forgot to turn those on for your island, and then your restaurant style sink and your spray nozzle. We'll head down the hallway. Very nice bathroom. I do want to shut these lights off just a second. Show you that's the main light. And then that's your accent light for your shower. I could just imagine how beautiful that is at night. We'll go ahead and, as my grandma would say, make a light and check out that bathroom. So this cabinet here goes through into the main bedroom. Speaking of which, here we are. So we have cabinets on left and right, 2 drawers on left and right, cubbies on left and right with USB and residential. Plenty of length here for your hang-up clothes, additional storage there. Those 3 cabinets pass through all the way. Soft close, easy for me to say. HVAC, LED lighting, plenty of 4 bright lights in here. Fireplace, and then for your dirty laundry, trying to think, that was the, I'm not even going to attempt to sing that song, Glenn Frey, I believe it was, Dirty Laundry. So you have a bank of 4 drawers, cabinets below, large cabinets above. And then there's that cabinet. You can see the light from the bathroom. Really, really a nice setup. I'll go ahead and show you under the bed. And I've shown this before. Let me see if it's unlocked. Yes. So check that out. You have valuables you want to protect. It's a nice heavy metal safe that is lockable. Very, very clever. And then you have additional storage there. And then you have, I love the fact you have this LED lighting here. And then, well, let me see if I can get this open. Nice deep drawers as well as soft close. And then we have, well, it didn't come on, but the motion sensor. So if you get up in the middle of the night, you're going to be able to see around corners. So that's it for the bedroom, and very, very, very nice. So again, 2026 Air 297 Brinkley, and we'll just take one more spin around. Again, fireplace, televator, and I'll show you, put the televator down. I do like the televators. It's stored when you're driving, so no need to worry, no muss, no fuss. And just one more look around. We have a bank of LED lights above the theater seating, and then another bank of LED lights above the dining work station, 4-position sliding desk dining table-ish. Thanks again for watching. Leave your comments, questions below. We'll catch you on the next video. Thank you again.